BMW. The engineers of the purest driver's cars, with premium German build quality. The car that one could only dream of owning. And now, it's all mine.
Okay, sorry guys, this was a bit silly. Let's get on with the video. So here it is, my new BMW E36 Compact. In this video I'll show you some of its quirks and its character, and that for me is something that new cars just don't have. Character. Do you think I've made a big mistake buying this car? Let me know in the comments. To start off, let's have a look at some of the car's features. It has some premium fitted aftermarket wheel arch trim. Looks like it's held on well with these screws. Rusty window wipers that work most of the time. A black strip thingy at the top of the windscreen for extra coolness. The paintwork is good for its age. Sort of. It has original BMW wheels, I think. 15-inch. Oh, warning. This car has a top quality security system, which means the car is so shit that you won't want to steal it. The car sits low for better handling, and of course, only adding to that extra cool factor. A manual key operated door handle. Well, that's a plus. I won't be able to get locked out my own car when the electrics don't work. This is very nostalgic for me because this is the exact same remote key fob as my old Subaru Impreza. And it works. I've driven so many new cars, and while it is lovely to have the luxury of all the gadgets and gizmos, I just want to operate things myself. The moment of truth. Let's start it up. It's not easy filming this myself. So I'm hoping it's going to start up first time, but the previous owner has been charging it every time he drove it. Now we've covered the outside, let's take a look around the interior. The blowers distribute hot or cold air around the cabin. There's some electric windows that work. The same can't be said for the mirrors though. I think they should be electrically operated. Fortunately, when it does eventually turn on, the car has a stereo. BBC Radio 2. No thanks. It really wants to play Radio 2 for some reason. This'll do, I guess. Ah, lovely. Let's continue with the interior. There's some manual operated seats with lots of adjustment. The headlight switch is in a funny place. They work really well though. Oh, the driver's side speaker just came on. There's 2 speakers up front and 2 in the rear. Washers and wipers that are currently working. Fog lights. Gear shift feels nice. The glove box isn't very big. I don't use them very often anyway.
Looks like someone's pissed in the seat.
Probably.
Oh.
The previous owner did say the interior needed a clean. Hang on. Are they supposed to be cup holders? What kind of cup is that going to hold? I guess that's the only bit about the interior I don't like so far. Let's move on to the rear seats. I don't think this is supposed to come with a car. Looks like a broken old key fob. Here's another thing that I'm not sure belongs to the car. Oh, seat back pockets. They're like an old pair of pants. gas struts as well. Very premium. And I've got a Sachs clutch kit thrown in with the car. Hopefully it fits. Now it's time for the important bit. The Stick of Truth test, created by Matt Watson at Carwow. Ow. So what have I learnt so far about my new E36? Well, some things work and some things don't. It needs a very good clean and a new clutch to be fitted. Probably a new flywheel as well. Let me know in the comments how long you think this car is going to last until I encounter a problem. Do you like it, Trixie? I guess that's a no. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching and see you next time.